In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use canvases in Slack. One of the most powerful tools for organizing and collaborating with your team. First, open Slack on your desktop app or browser and log into your workspace. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu. Here you'll see the canvases option. If you want to start something new, click plus new. This gives you a fresh canvas where you can plan projects, jot notes, or brainstorm ideas with your team. Already have canvases? Just click the name of the one you want and it will open instantly for editing and updates. Inside a canvas, collaboration is key. Use the share button to invite teammates individually or share it with an entire channel for group work. For extra options, click the ellipsis menu. From here, you can copy the canvas link, save it for later, add it to your start list, or even delete it if it's no longer needed. And that's it. You now know how to create, share, and manage canvases in Slack. It's a simple but powerful way to keep your team aligned and productive. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Click Slack tutorials.